Baby, you don't know what you do to me. Between me and you, I feel like chemistry.
Hey y'all, it's Simply Nikki back with another video. How y'all doing today? Happy, what day is it, baby? Thursday.
Yeah, Thursday.
Thursday. I'm gonna put some confetti or something to come down, y'all. Happy Thursday, y'all. And as promised yesterday, I told y'all that I was going to try mug root beer once again because I haven't had it in so long, y'all. All your girl got is a can, okay? But y'all, I just finished eating dinner, y'all, and I should have.
Sorry.
Don't say you sorry. Just say excuse me, y'all. That's my son. That's my son in the back burping, y'all. Okay. Y'all, he got acid reflux too, but his is not as bad as mine, y'all. But y'all, what was I about to say? Yes, I'm gonna try mug root beer again for the first time in a long time.
Excuse me.
Y'all, he turned into little burping junior. Okay. Because I want to see if mug root beer is still my favorite root beer or not. I'm not sure if it is or not. Take your time with that. I'm not sure if it is or not, y'all. So we about to see, because yesterday that root beer was so good. That Frost Top root beer was so good, y'all. Shocked me. Had me thinking like, hold up. Do I still like mug? So let's see, y'all. Like I said, y'all, mug is literally my favorite root beer. I don't think that I've tried another root beer that I thought was better than mug until yesterday. Okay. Y'all know I always tie my can. Why? I don't know. I feel like if it was about to explode, that this right here would help. But it probably don't. Alright, y'all. Oh, I can smell it. Oh, it smells so good, y'all. I just love mug root beer. Cheers. Let's get into it. Y'all. Yeah. Excuse me. Y'all know it's good when you close your eyes to enjoy something. And it's so cold, y'all. Oh, it's so nice and cold, y'all. It is so delicious. Let me go back in again. Oh my gosh. Ooh.
Excuse me.
Ooh. Are you trying to compete with me, son?
No.
Huh?
No.
Are you sure?
I'm sure because when I drank the tea.
Burping off of tea is crazy. Are you trying to compete against me?
No.
Do you need this work?
Oh.
Do you need this work for me? Do I need to burp on you?
Okay.
Do you need that? Yeah.
Excuse me.
Get your burps up, son. Get your burps up. No, please. Not get your burps up. Yeah. Now I got a piece of head in my mouth. No. Yeah. This root beer is so delicious. Do y'all hear me? Yum. Yum. Ooh. Ah. Excuse me. Excuse me. Y'all comment down below y'all favorite drink. Preferably your favorite root beer, okay? But y'all, I'm going to take your favorite drink. Your favorite drink is fine as well. Because I'm going to go through the comments and I'm going to see what y'all favorite drink is. And I'm going to see if it's something I've never tried before or if it's something I might want to drink for y'all. So let your girl know. Drop it in the comments. Y'all. Oh. Excuse me. Y'all, this will be so delicious, okay? When I say so delicious, so delicious. So, y'all. I gotta get it together, y'all. You know, sometimes I be burping real hard, y'all. And my eyes and stuff get the water, y'all. But yes. So, the verdict is Mug root beer is still my favorite root beer. It still is. I don't know what it is about it, but it just hit different to me. It has the right amount of carbonation and sweetness to me. Ooh. Oh. Excuse me. Y'all got a little bit left. Then I'm going to give it to my son so he can crush my can too, y'all. Y'all, this soda is so good, okay? So good. And y'all, I am so full. Like I said, I ate dinner. Let me tell y'all what I cooked for dinner. I should have cammed up, y'all. Please forgive me for not camming up, okay, next time. Y'all, I fixed some fish and some french fries. So fish and chips today is what we had. Fish and chips. Okay. Yum. Yum. Still my favorite. Alright, y'all. That is it, y'all. Yum, this is so good, y'all. And I try to only get cans because this is my favorite soda. So, y'all, if I get a bottle of this right here, it becomes an addiction for me. So, only buy cans. Once it's gone, y'all, I don't buy them for a minute. So, I haven't had a mug root beer in a very long time. But, y'all, this right here was very delicious. It is still my favorite soda. What is a soda? It is still my favorite soda. Y'all continue. Thank y'all for watching my video. Thank y'all for subscribing. Thank you to all my new subscribers. Can you crush this for me so I can put it into the recycling? Thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing. And thank you for joining the family, y'all. I so appreciate y'all. Thank you, Hulk. So, y'all, until we chat again, until we vibe again, until I see y'all in tomorrow. Y'all, I'm thinking about getting me some fufu tomorrow. And I'm going to cam up and mukbang that for y'all. So, let your girl know if you want me to mukbang that for y'all. And I have a surprise drink that I'm also going to bring to the table tomorrow. So, stay tuned. Bye. Ooh. If anybody can comment down below what I said, I'm going to shout you out. Oh my gosh, y'all, I'm probably leaving. Y'all, this one here is a blooper, okay? This is a blooper, okay? But y'all, y'all probably leave this part in and put this part in the end. Y'all, I don't know yet. But if y'all see it, y'all see it. And if not, y'all just won't see this part. But tell me what I said in the comments. If I do add in this part, okay?